You searched how to buy shares of STMicroelectronics NV. STMicroelectronics NV is a global semiconductor manufacturer listed on NASDAQ under the ticker STMUS, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and then add funds to place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker STMUS to locate STMicroelectronics. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to confirm it is the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information, the price chart, and trading details. Check the company description and NASDAQ listing again to ensure this is the right security. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or scheduled for the next session. And if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After execution, your STMicroelectronics position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to visit the platform.